Let's talk about electric bikes for adults. Folding speed up to 25 km/h, removable lithium ladies. A bike is powered by 36-volt lithium-ion battery. Unlike gasoline-powered bikes, it is eco-friendly and requires no maintenance. Good range and speed. The e-bike has 30 km range and can reach a top speed of 25 km. It is ideal for getting around the city and short distance travel. Design and foldability. The electric bike is great for commuters and easy to carry and helps save space. The convincing ride comfort is not limited to the short distance, even for longer trips is the electric bike. High quality material. Folding bike. Electric bike adopted super lightweight and strong aluminum alloy, to ensure the greatest possible degree of stability. Charger, specific for lithium battery and overprotected.